we took the bumper bar, rear bumper bar off the Bella Rosa. She had a few dents, and when I took it off I found that it had been worked on before, but also there was a bit of surface rust on the inside of the bumper bar. Nothing severe, but just requiring a bit of a clean-up. So we're just going to trail a bit of filler over it, give it a light sand, and then touch her up here and there where it needs to. The trick with this stuff is not to put on too much, but to build it up so that you can get it shaped to the general shape that you want. And when it's, before it goes hard, not while it's tacky, but while it's just soft enough, you take a file or a fine rasp and you shape it with that before it goes off. Because I don't know if you've ever worked with this, but if you have, you'll know that once it goes hard, it takes forever to sand. We've just been treating the underside or the inside of the bumper for rust. So it had a bit of surface rust, and of course a bit of the paint chipped away when we were banging away trying to straighten it out. So what I did was give it a bit of a sand with some very fine sandpaper, and then treat it with a bit of rust protector or a rust kill. Alright, so there you have it. Resprayed, filled, not perfect, but a darn sight better than it was. It'll certainly look a lot better when she's on the bus.